Hi, this is PyroMaster34, and I will be doing my first video about fireworks. Alright, I got my small stash. I'll do that later though. Okay, this is the 2011 catalog for Phantom Fireworks. So, I'll open it up. Alright, so we have 500 gram repeaters first. Aerial Avalanche, New York, Salute for Now. New one. Urban Warrior, Crackle the Sky, Burst and Bloom, Strobatacular. Alright. And Arctic Motherlode, Radio Fire Premiere, Wizard of Oz, Tropic Thunder, Call on a Gold, Mega Mojo, Molten Core, Critical Burst, G-Force, more over here, Live Free or Die, Fortress of Fire, Supercell Storm, 500 4-shot Saturn battery, the bomb, heavy feel new, have just some other ones. Then I got the bigger ones. X9 for now. Phantom, the 180. Phantom 205. Wickedly Awesome. Phantom Fury. The Beast Unleashed. And Komodo 3000. New, it's called Deuces Wild. 130 bucks. Double brakes. I got the Canister Silver Salute Show. And you got their big assortment of aerial shells. Triple brakes, double brakes, and single brakes. Next page, you got the Air Assault X-Force. Got some triple, quadruple, single. Some of those. You got the Phantomizer, triple, quadruple, double, and single. Fear No Evil, 5-shot, 5 brakes. You got these aerial rampage shells, copperheads, mini copperheads, mighty mites, festival walls, Wolfpack high performance shells, triple load. Those right here are the small ones. I got some Saturn batteries on the top. Comets, small brakes, Happy Planet's Comets, more Saturn batteries. There's some more small brakes. Raptor, small brake. Rain of Fire, really good one. I recommend that one for your show. Alright, and then we have Emerald City, really good one. Some other ones, Solar Explosion, really good one. Got the Graffiti collection, you got the high compression shells, canisters, double brake and single brakes, one-time shells, 500 gram repeater, finale rack, reloadables, some mines, single shot mortars, and those are canister reloadable. And next page, you got your racks and tubes, you got your double brakes, your tubes, you got more tubes. And you got double take. I recommend those. Really good. Some X7s. Flower Power's new. Brocade 3-inch rack. Ooh-ah. Palm Tree new. They're 2 inches. And you got some more up there. You got some smiley face rockets. Price reduction. Still expensive for $20. Fierce Tiger rockets, those are really good. Some other ones. And got a small rocket assortment down there. Just some showroom locations. Indiana. I'll show you the one that I go to. Where is it? Oh, I go to this one right here. Indianapolis, Carmel one. Alright, so there's that. You got some more rockets. Got some new ones right there. Blue Streak rockets really good. I recommend those. Wolfpack rockets. There's some regular Moon Travelers. Whistling. Got your fountains. These are really good, but they're like kind of overpriced too, so. Some of them have 500 grams of stuff in there, so those are good. And you got some firecrackers, my favorite. You got some black cats. You got the new Thunder strip back there in the corner, and 98 strip. Sonic wave crackers. They're not. It's not just one big firecracker. They have like 20 in one tube, and they go off at once. Hydro crackers. I recommend those. They're fun to throw in water, and you got the hand grenades. Probably like those hydro crackers. And you got those too. 72 count. Alright, and you got your big bundles of firecrackers. 6,000, 4,000, 2,000, and 1,000. You got a half brick, and you got some 100, and you got a ladyfinger, and you got Banal Spectacular. And you got Roman candles over here. Go down the list for you. I recommend those. Those are really good. Got some new ones. Some over here. And you got the big barrage. Alright, now to some novelties, except for these on the top, like missiles, like snappers, and you got these tanks and stuff, whales, snakes, smoke balls, those are jumbo, canisters, mini canisters and the regular sized balls, strobes, ground balloons, price reduction on those, gyro balloons, dancing butterflies. You got some parachutes. New one. My favorite is double night parachute. 2 of them come out. Loaded dice, price reduction. Sparklers, morning glories, and a new 20-foot fuse and some jumping jacks. Crackling balls and bloom flowers. Alright, now to the assortments. My favorite part of Phantom. I recommend these. You get 2, it's buy one, go one free, so you get 2 for about $50. So you can like use them in your show and like the pre-show, I guess. And here's one for $80, not bad. And here's Roman candle assortment for $80, not really bad either. Buy one, go one free, so you get 2 of those. Here's some of these. Buy one, get one free also. Everything is buy one, get one free. That's like a fountain. Like a fountain assortment. $100. And you got some repeaters on your show. New York assortment. Really good. I recommend that one. If you don't have that much money. It's new. You got some repeaters also here. And you got these for $150, or you go online, you can get a coupon for, you get any of these for $60. And here's this one. Here's this one. and you got the Uncle Sam assortment. I really recommend this one. It's still cheaper getting 2 coupons than buy one get one free without using coupons. If you use coupons, you have to buy 2 of them. You have to have 2 coupons. It's $120 instead of just buying one of those. It's still going to be $150 for 2. Alright, some of the bigger ones. Got some copperheads, some firecrackers, Roman candles, rockets, some more firecrackers, and some repeaters. Good pack for like a finale or something, a small finale. And over here, there's some good stuff over here. Just some stuff, tubes, repeaters, some reloadables, and stuff like that. And here are the big assortments. You got some firecrackers, reloadables, lots of firecrackers, repeaters, canisters, other repeaters, Roman candles, morning glories, lots of whistling bottle rockets, more tubes, and you got some rockets and you got tubes. And here's the big assortment. You got rockets, planes, bottle rockets, ground balloons, Saturn battery, Happy Planet, Wolf Pack shell, and you just got some fountains on the side, tanks, repeater in there, repeaters, missiles, reloadables. You got some tubes in there, more fountains, bottle rockets, more bottle rockets, Roman candles, sparklers. Look at all those sparklers. More bottle rockets and more whistling bottle rockets all the way down here. And you got your more fountains, and you got your Wolfpack bottle rockets. And next page is just a list of their places. And this is just it just shows you a story about their 500 gram repeaters. And on the back, Fan and Fan's favorites, Legion of Fire, God of Fire, some birthday cake fountains, smokeless. 2 finale, more power play new. Twinkling Barrage up there new. And that is that for the magazine. Hopefully you liked it. I will get a new one in May, the 2012 edition, so I will be writing that. And here comes my firework stash. Alright, I got 2 Roman candles. Oh, by the way, it's just a really small stash. It's nothing big. Just some leftover New Year fireworks. So 2 Roman candles, magical Roman candle, tin ball. Nothing big, same. Alright, hold on. Alright, I don't know what's in the bag. I really forget. Alright, looks like it's just firecrackers and whatever this is. Alter Chaos. Oh, I had one before. You just light them and they like go fast in the air and scream. I got some firecrackers. So that's about all for my small fireworks stash. Hopefully you liked it, and hopefully you subscribe. And next week I will be doing a giveaway. And hopefully you tune in for next week to see how you get the giveaway and much more. Alright? Subscribe, like, and please subscribe again. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Bye.